Your Eminence, Your Grace, Your Excellency, Reverend Father, I have the honor to inform you that His Holiness Pope Francis has erected a new diocese of Mindat, with territory taken from the Diocese of Dhaka, making East Africa of the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Mindat. His Holiness Pope Francis has appointed Reverend Father Augustine thannhnak until now in charge for the translation of the Bible into the local language, and the Vice Parish Priest of Sacred Heart Catholic Church of the same diocese as First Bishop of Mindat. The official announcement will be made public on Saturday, 25 January 2025, this evening, at noon time, Myanmar time, 5:30 p.m. Until that moment, it should remain confidential. While conveying the news of the important event, I renew to you the assurances of my prayerful best wishes for all your pastoral endeavors, and invite you to pray for the new Diocese of Mindat, its new bishop and its faithful. I wish everyone a fruitful and peaceful Jubilee year 2025, with renewed faith in the Lord, our only Savior. Yours sincerely in Christ, Monsignor Andrea Ferrante. Monsignor ka, tidak jawab no.
Mindat thannnak ku Francis kanibro pendidikan Mindat thannnak ye secara jialo Reverend Father Augustine Jong Mepsibare Thadone Kutriare Sedetros untuk dihakhat thannnak itu Petrade subime cendu kain chu abali kain chu thannnak Aumashibare na panarawatiu nachang chini ya saroti ye saroti khatin boile mandali mahachip mari me suno cha jaya